Hello everyone, this is a video showing Boss Linux server features. And if you want to go through installation and to get the DVD, then do watch my other video. The links are described in a description of this video. So this is the home screen of Boss Linux Advanced Server 2.0. These are the menu options you can see here. Let me show you about MySQL and PGAdmin. That is nothing but PostgreSQL. This is the note application where you can create a new notes and you can make a note of any important things over here. Yeah, let me explain you about MySQL and so the thing is that for MySQL you have to go to application, programming and MySQL server. Here actually you have to set up your connection. For example, if you have your database which is already hosted on some IP, then you have to mention over there and you have to set the connection. Then go to the browser. This is ICE Vessel browser which is defaultly provided by Boss Linux. You can check here. This is a localhost server. It is showing that it is working. And if you just go to E8080, that is a Tomcat server. These are all default provided by Boss Linux, GNU Linux Server 2.0. And whole description is given here. I'm just clicking one of that thing. For example, this is just example I have shown. You can go through the whole software whichever is provided by installing this OS. Now go to pgadmin. Here actually you have to set up the PostgreSQL database server connection for pgadmin. And you can explore more. This is a firewall actually for our server. Provide the administrator password. Actually we have set up root password, administrator password and user password. These are all different. That means security level. Security is far more. Actually security is really concerned over this Linux operating system. Just go through the navigation part, how I am just doing these things. These are all just a sample showcase I'm just showing here. Rest of the thing you have to try by installing this OS. If your expertise in server operating system, maintaining and managing and using, then it will be very easy for you to use these tools. Each and every tool is right now provided by this server. Either you can activate, either you can stop this firewall. All the settings you can do in this firewall. Now just let me show you about Wireshark. You can see so many applications here. Let me show you about GAdmin bind. GAdmin bind. So many are there. Okay. GAdmin bind. Navigate through these operations. Whatever I'm doing. You can check all these details. Whenever I scroll onto this text box, it will show me what actually to insert there. This is for domain. Right now I have one of the domain. your router address. IP address. Actually, mine IP is routing to GoDaddy.com. So I'm just showing this for an example. The rest of the thing I will customize and configure later. Now let me show you something other application. Wireshark. You can see the all description in that. What are all actually it will do. That is generally used for traffic analysis. This is another tool. It will show it is just to check like IP address and who is one of this I will just show you who is like let me enter google.com. So it will show me all the details of google.com. Now let me show you about my domain, that is akshaymkr.in. So it will show you all the detail like who is actually through which party I have registered with, that is GoDaddy something it will mention. Yes. So like this you can make use of so many tools which is been provided by Boss Linux in the server edition. How much exposure, how much do you explore, that much exposure you will have on this tool. Rest of the things, server expertise, will have a knowledge of it. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Thank you. Like my video or do subscribe if you want to get notified for my next upcoming video. Thank you.